Have you ever wanted a salon-style professional blow dry at home without paying the hefty price tag to have that equipment there? Well, now you can. What's great is I just received this professional Ionic salon-style bonnet dryer. It is portable and great when you're on the go, as well as using it home. It comes with this portable handle here, and then it extends into place with a lock button in the back. Now, I put mine on my bathroom counter because I have a stool from my vanity that is a great height for underneath it. As you can see, my hair is wet, but I will sit under it and show you. There are 3 settings for drying that you can use. The cool setting is going to be if you already have a hairstyle that you love and you just want to set that style, like if you're going out on a humid day or something like that. The medium is going to be for synthetic hair or wigs, or if you have natural hair that's a little damp but ready to be fully dry. And then the hot is going to be great for natural hair that is wet, that just needs to be styled and set from the beginning. And you just turn this knob to whatever designated level you prefer. In order to set up your device, you are just going to grab the handle with one hand. There is a lock button on the back here. You are going to stretch the dryer all the way to the top, extend it if you can. That's how I noticed it catches the easiest. And then you're gonna release that button and it'll lock right into place and you'll be ready for your blow dry.